Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this ring pan tilt mount for an outdoor camera that we got to be able to put on the outside of our house. So we'll go ahead and do an unboxing here. Go ahead and take it out of the box to get this undone. So here's a brief step guide. As you can see here, several different languages. Want to follow the directions there, but just walks you through it. I'll go ahead and open the box here. So here's your mount here. Here's your basically your battery pack right here. And then there's where your power adapter plugs into. And then you've got this mount that goes onto the, looks like this probably goes onto your wall. You're putting it on, and then this will sit on here, and you got some screws to screw the bottom on there. See if your hardware is probably in here. Let me get this open. So yeah, here's your hardware. There's your screws that go in the bottom of this mount to screw into the bottom there. And then if you would need some anchors, there you go right there. And then I think that's pretty much it. So just wanted to show you this real quick before we put it up on our house.